In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Canva file to Claude. To get started, open Canva and sign in to your account. Once you're in, find the design you want to use and open it in the editor. This is important because Claude can't pull a design directly from Canva, so you'll first need to export the file to your computer before uploading it. With your design open, go to the upper right corner and click Share, then choose Download. At this point, you'll need to select the file format that makes the most sense for your project. PDF is usually the best option for documents and presentations because it keeps the layout clean and easy to review. If you're working with a PowerPoint style presentation, you may want to choose PPTX. And if your design is more visual, like a graphic, flyer, or image-based layout, PNG or JPG may be the better fit. After choosing the format, click Download again and save the file somewhere easy to find on your computer. Next, open Claude and sign into your account. You can either start a new conversation or open an existing chat where you want to discuss your Canva file. Once the chat window is open, look for the attach or paperclip icon. Click it, browse your computer, and select the file you just downloaded from Canva. Then wait for the upload to finish completely before sending your message. If your version of Claude allows drag and drop uploads, you can also drag the file directly into the chat window, which can be a little faster. After the file is uploaded, tell Claude exactly what you want help with. The clearer your instruction is, the better the response will be. For example, you might ask Claude to summarize the presentation, proofread the text for grammar and spelling, suggest ways to improve the slide content, rewrite a brochure in a more professional tone, create speaker notes for each slide, make the content more engaging for beginners, or check whether the information flows logically. Being specific will usually give you more useful and targeted feedback. Once Claude responds, review the suggestions carefully. You may receive grammar corrections, writing improvements, content summaries, organization tips, better headlines, simplified wording, or recommendations for stronger messaging. Take a moment to decide which ideas are worth using for your design. Finally, go back to Canva and update your design based on the recommendations you want to apply. You can replace text, improve headings, simplify bullet points, adjust layouts, add new sections, or update visuals so they better match the revised content. When you're done, download the updated version again if needed. And that's how to add a Canva file to Claude.